Hello Gemini, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you from June 10th to June 20th. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies of the person or the situation you are dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. If this reading does not resonate with you, please check your moon sign and the name sign. For the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below, and you can follow me on Instagram. The link of that is also given in the description box below. Okay, so Geminis, let's see what's in store for you. Let me see what are the messages from this deck. Messages from the angels. Message from the universe for Geminis. This one wants to come out. Okay, Geminis. What I feel here is that you've been trying to balance a situation. You're trying to balance a situation and giving whatever is just required. It's something like that. Investing the minimum which is required in a situation. There is some sort of an opportunity coming in for you which was perhaps held for a long time. That's what I'm getting. Okay, so either you are offering something or somebody is offering you something, but definitely there is an emotional offer coming in. It can be a small offer, it can be an offer from a younger person, whatever it is, but there is something which was stuck since a long time, and you are trying to balance the situation, and you get good news from that situation or that person. It's something like that. Okay, yeah, something which was stuck from a long time. Yeah, you're balancing it, and some sort of a communication or some sort of a offer comes in, or you see some ray of hope in that situation now. Okay, so and this situation was hanging or pending since a long time. You were stuck. There was a lot of stagnation in this situation basically, and now you are able to see some sort of hope or some movement in the positive direction. That's what I am feeling. Okay, and yeah, there is definitely a new beginning, but now you are somehow faced by a decision that now you want to take it or you don't want to take it. It's coming off like that. So now maybe you have other options, or maybe you want to reevaluate your things, because definitely there is a new beginning. It is definitely a new beginning, and you this time want to reevaluate everything, because you know that it is something which is starting again, perhaps, or it is whatever it is something, obviously it is starting again, or maybe it never started, perhaps it's starting for the first time, and you are taking all the time to reevaluate everything. Either it can be that basically you are weighing the pros and cons, you're waiting and you're taking your own time perhaps to decide as to take it or not. It's something like that. Or it can be that you are ready to move, accepting this offer, and you are ready to move in that direction. It can be that also, but you are waiting for the ships to come in exactly. Okay, so because it is a small offer which has come as for now, it's not, it's maybe it's just a small signal or a small opportunity which has come, or you have a hope that it will come in, and you are waiting for it to actually come in. It can be that also. Okay, and that is the time which you are actually waiting for. It can be that you're waiting for definitely something which is a new beginning. You have to take a decision over here, that is there. Now this decision can be that you have already taken a decision and you're just waiting for the time to uh, actually move in that direction, or maybe you want to weigh the pros and cons, you have options perhaps, or you want to reevaluate them properly. It can be anything, but definitely it is a time for a decision. Again, it's something important. Whatever it is something very, very important for you. What I am getting here is that maybe this waiting is getting extended. There was certain ray of hope, something was offered to you, there was a move in that direction, but again it is keeping you waiting. That's what I feel, because here again you are wondering as to what to do, what not to do. Maybe things didn't materialize. It was there in the vicinity, you could see that beginning, but something didn't materialize definitely, because you are waiting over here. You are again wondering, and then with the tower there is definitely a shake-up, unexpected. There is something unexpected over here which has happened, which is happening. And what I feel here is that though it seemed to be a beautiful beginning and it did give you a ray of hope, but I think it didn't materialize, and that is what has shattered you, or this is something which you didn't expect this time. Okay, maybe this person or this situation came, you thought this person is coming towards me. Okay, let it be, I'm talking about a relationship, suppose. Maybe this person is coming towards you, that's what you felt, and they did show you certain signals regarding that, but actually, and you were just waiting for maybe some more signals, or maybe there was a beginning to some extent, but it kept you waiting again. You are just wondering and you are not expecting this, and this has totally caused this shake up over here. What I feel here is that whosoever this person is you are dealing with, this person is very, see, I see here two people who are this person is actually very emotionally mature. They know how to hide their emotions basically. Okay, that is what I'm trying to say. So this person has maybe backed off, or didn't come forward as you expected them to be. coming forward, and that has led to this heartbreak or this shake up of the situation, and that is what you're feeling bad about. And with the Queen of Pentacles, what I feel is that you are taking your own time over here. You are just trying to, this is the time you're giving yourself now. You're just thinking as to now what should be done, sort of. Okay, you're sort of left alone. That's what I'm getting. Basically, you're left alone, and you really are just thinking as to how to move ahead this time, what to do now. It's something like that, and that is what you do. You just let destiny, you just leave yourself in the hands of destiny. You're ready to take that leap of faith, and it is a beautiful thing to do. Just see, you will be happy. If you do this, you will be happy. You are victorious, you are happy, you feel proud of yourself once you are able to move in this new direction, whatever this new direction is, after this shake up of your belief system or your whatever the situation is. So whatever, if it was an offer, if it was a even if it was an opportunity in a form of a career or whatever it was, it didn't show up as you expected it to. Okay, it didn't happen, basically it didn't materialize, and that has caused this shake up, and you are now deciding to take a new beginning. Basically you are just thinking as to what to do, and this is what you are doing, moving ahead with the towards just let destiny guide you, sort of. And this is the right thing to do, because you will be happy and content with that. I think this is the energy of the person you are dealing with, the very strategic person, very intelligent and strategic person. Healer of abundance. Never doubt that you can make a difference. Your creativity and ability to be innovative make you destined to succeed. It might be the time to expand your career, but don't forget to leave time for the family. This situation involves a person who is down to earth with a gift for design and decorating. He or she is open-minded and nurturing. So basically what I feel here is that whatever this shake-up is for you, do not forget that you can succeed. Healer of abundance. Okay, the title is Healer of Abundance. Okay, you just need to heal. You just need to understand that you never doubt that you can make a difference. Okay, so you can make a difference. You can move ahead in a new direction. Don't think that you can't do that. Number 22 or number 4 may be of some significance for you. Heart of the matter. There is more going on than meets the eye. So maybe there is something which has happened, which has caused this shake up, and maybe this is something which has, I mean, because this thing didn't materialize basically, so there are many more things which are happening which you are not aware of behind the scenes, basically. Okay, and maybe that is the reason that they just showed up, or this opportunity just showed up, and it didn't actually fall in your lap. That's what I'm getting. So Geminis, hope it helps, and please subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Thank you.